Welcome back to my channel Muhammad Jangu once again. Today in this video I have come up with a science experiment called Seesaw candle. For that experiment you need a lighter, a candle which I have scraped from another side also, a long needle, two glasses. Let's start the experiment. First we have to poke a needle at the middle of the candle like this. See, I have poked the candle. Now we have to balance it like this. It is balanced. Now we have to burn one side, the heavier side first, which is down. See, I have burned. Now we have to let it drip. We have to wait until the burned part will come up and this part will go down. So then we have to burn the second part. So let's burn the second part. See, seesaw is happening. Can you see so much of seesaw? Why does it happen? First, the heavier part which we burned first, it will come down. So we burned it. Then we have burned the part, so it is lighter part. Then this part will be heavier part. So we have to burn that. So for like that, seesaw will be happening. Like this, it will be happening. That is the main reason. Can you see, guys? It is amazing. It is looking very amazing. I liked it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Muhammad Jangu. Thank you.